This is Redneck Stunt Team. We're going to do a cold start on the go-kart. It's currently 25 degrees out, and let's see if she'll start. The starter likes to fail, so it's probably going to be a long start. I never recommend buying one of these go-karts. I shouldn't have bought one. At the time, I couldn't afford a four-wheeler. This is what I got until I can afford a four-wheeler. Probably gonna need a new starter by the end of the winter. By then, I might just sell it. Give the starter a little break. Do an overview of it. It's 150 cc. It's a Taiking Chinese. I don't know. It works great in the summer, but in the winter when it doesn't want to start, it can be a pain. It is carbureted. It's definitely not fuel injected. So let's see if she'll go again. Sounds kind of like it's not making full contact with the flywheel. Starter motor's lies right up in the motor. Right there, so let's see. It's not hot, so I guess we'll keep going. Guess we'll keep going until we see smoke, right? Starter, another break. If it doesn't start soon, I'm just going to use starter fluid. Yeah, folks, I'm just going to have to use starter fluid. Now, the air filter is held together by zip ties because the old assembly completely just didn't work. It was a Chinese nut and metric bolt that just never stayed, and they kept falling out everywhere. So we're going to have to grab some zip tie cutters. This should work. And then we'll spray some starter fluid in, and then hopefully she'll start. Hammer. I hate doing this because when you put the air filter back on, you gotta use 4 new zip ties, but whatever. I'll probably end up finding a better setup for it. But I'm lazy, so let's take 2 of them off, spray some in there, and pray she'll start. Got our trusty starter fluid here. Spray some in there. Now she should start. Get in here, give her some gas. Yeah, folks, anytime it gets below freezing, this is what we have to do. So, y'all have a good day. I know I seem like I'm hard on the starter, but there's no other way to get it to start. And now it's going to stall and give me a whole other round of problems. So I'll just have to keep my feet on the gas for about 2 minutes. But yeah, I'll probably buy a 4-wheeler. But for for now, this is what I have to live with, which is fine. But I'll make it work. So y'all have a good day.